So do you also run Facebook lead ads to generate new leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to create zero contact for Facebook lead ads lead. So I run a business and to promote my business I am running some Facebook lead ad. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then automatically the lead received should be created as a new contact in my Zero account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Facebook lead ad with my Zero account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically create a zero contact whenever you get a new lead from Facebook lead ads. So this integration helps you streamline your accounting process by ensuring every potential customer is recorded in Zero without manual effort. Okay, so as you all know that I run a small business and I use Facebook lead ads to find new customers. So whenever someone fills out my ad form, I need to add their details to Zero to keep a track of invoices and future transactions. So instead of manually entering each lead, I want to automate the process so that every new Facebook lead is instantly added as a contact in Zero. This way, when a lead becomes a paying customer, their details are already in my system, making invoices and payment tracking seamless. It saves me time, keeps my records accurate, and ensures I never miss important customer details. Okay, so here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Facebook lead ad with my Zero account using an automation software. And now firstly here in this video, we are going to see the working of this automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So now here to see the working of this automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad using a lead testing tool by Meta. So here in this lead testing tool, you can see I've selected my page and the form, and now here I'm going to click on this preview form. And here you can see some pre-filled detail over here, that is skin type, first name, last name, email and the phone number. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. That means we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So now let's go and check our Zero account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name test lead and the email as test@pabblytudes.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing automation by simply connecting your Facebook lead ad with your Zero account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, then click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Zero contact for Facebook lead ads lead, and then here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as contacts. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's use our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Facebook lead ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Facebook lead ads. So Facebook lead ads are a type of advertising format on Facebook that helps businesses collect contact information from people interested in their products or services. So in my Facebook lead ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead instant, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Facebook lead ad, then instantly and automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account and authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select my page and the lead gen form. So here in my Facebook account, you have already seen the Facebook page that I've created with the name Natural Glow Skin Care. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my page as Natural Glow Skin Care. So this is my page, and then here it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So here to get this lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite, and here under lead ads form you can see all the forms that I've created till now over here. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select the form as Natural Glow lead form. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my form as Natural Glow lead form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now you have to selecting my page on the lead gen form. I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And now you have to click on the save and send test request. You can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Facebook lead ad. So again, here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool. And here in this lead ads testing tool by Meta, you need to delete your previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead, and then I'm going to refresh my window, and that's a necessary step. Now again here in this lead ads testing tool, I'm going to select my page as Natural Glow Skin Care and my form over here, and now I'm going to click on this preview form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the skin type, I'm going to select oily. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as demo, last name as lead, email as demolead@pablitudes.com. And then here I'm going to enter random phone number, and then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see it says your test lead has been sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the skin type, first name, last name, email address, phone number, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically I want to add the lead received as a new contact in my Xero account. So for that, I need to connect my Xero account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Xero. So Xero is a cloud-based accounting software that helps businesses manage their finances easily. So here in my Xero action step, I'm going to select my action event as create a contact, so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through Facebook lead ad, then automatically and instantly a new contact is going to be created in my Xero account for the same. So now here to connect my Xero with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Xero account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Xero. And now here Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access, so I'm going to give access to Pabbly Connect as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the organization. So here for the organization, I'm going to select my Xero organization that I've already created with the name ConP. So I'm going to select this particular organization from this drop down menu, and then here it is asking me to enter the contact name. So now here, instead of entering the name manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the name. So firstly, here I'm going to select the first name, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to select last name. Moving forward, here this contact code and account number are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here for the first name, I'm going to map the first name separately, and then here I'm going to map the last name. Moving forward, here I'm going to map the email address. Moving forward, again these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Xero account for the new lead received through our Facebook lead ad. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name demo lead and the email as demolead@pablitudes.com and a random phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Xero. So that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Facebook lead ad, then instantly and automatically a new contact is going to be created in our Xero account for the same. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create Xero contact for Facebook lead ads lead. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.